Welcome to the EZLynx course on managing sums and totals in reports with Reports Pro. In this course, we will cover how to add sums and totals to a report. So let's get started. To have access to these features, you must have Reports Pro. To know if you have Reports Pro, you will have the option to copy a report. Additionally, to make any changes to a report, you must first copy it. To do so, navigate to a report. In this case, we will start with a EZLynx report. We will use the Commission Grouping report as our example. To copy, click on Actions, hover over Reports, then select Copy. Give the report a descriptive name, then save the report. Next, click on Settings for the report, then select Edit. This will bring up the Edit window. In this case, we would like to add a sum for premium written for the grouping. To do so, search for Premium Written. Notice there is only one option for premium written to choose from. However, there is a problem. Any field in blue is a dimension. These can be thought of as a fact about something, for example, name or assigned producer. Whereas orange fields are measures. These can be thought of as some form of calculation, for example, total or count of policies. Measures are the only fields for which we can perform math operations. Because of this, measures are the only fields that can be used in adding totals or sums. So how can we use premium written to get a sum if it's a dimension? First, we need to convert it to a measure. To convert this field, hover over it and select the 3 vertical dots. Next, hover over Aggregate. You have options that can be applied to other fields, such as count, average, min, max, and median. In this case, we will select sum. Notice the new measure in the Custom Fields section. Next, click Run to populate the data in the report. Notice the column is displayed at the end of the report. We now have an easy-to-read grouping report that displays the sum of the written premiums by group. Please note that totals in the data section is checked by default in the report. You also have the option to add subtotals using the checkbox. Totals will only generate whole column totals. For example, in this report, when you scroll to the bottom, the last line is the total. Now, if I uncheck the totals checkbox and run the report again, we still have the sum for the grouping, but not the total of the whole columns that are measures. Next, when ready, save the report. That is all for this EZLynx course on managing sums and totals. You should now have the knowledge and skills needed to add sums and totals. Thanks for watching.